guys are having a good Sunday. So, well, I've been doing some baking lately and I thought, why not bake with all of you as well? So today, we're going to do cupcakes. They're empty right now, but cake batter is going to go into them very, very soon. Everybody say hi to Sam. Sam, say hi to everybody.
Hello.
Sam lives around the corner, so she very kindly agreed to come and shoot this little video for me. So நீங்க எல்லாரும் சண்டேனா என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. ஆனா எனக்கு வந்து லாக்டவுன் டைம்ல Sunday is baking day. So my mom bakes a lot ever since she was a kid. So she gave me these really cool cups and spoons. So first என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா we're going to measure out the dry ingredients. First is the flour. So as you guys know, since I'm a musician, music is a big part of my life. And எல்லாரும் playlist வச்சிருப்பாங்கல்ல, mood for different moods. So my playlist for baking is jazz. That's what we're listening to right now. Anybody have any questions already or no? I don't know.
Not yet.
Not yet.
தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க மேம்.
சரி சரி தமிழ்ல பேசுறோம். Okay. நான் கொஞ்சம் slow, sorry. ஏன்னா நான் இப்போதான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் இந்த வேலை. Don't spill, don't spill, don't spill. Oh, it's the fan. So நீங்க எல்லாரும் சண்டேனா என்ன பண்றீங்க? Why don't you guys type in your comments? Any exciting plans for Sunday?
മലയാളത്തിൽ പേസുங்க.
മലയാളത്തിലെയാ? മലയാളം അറിയല്ലോ. കുറച്ച് മലയാളം അറിയാം. But I must say, Malayalam films are my favorite. So the recipe calls for 1 1/3 cups of flour.
They're asking what powder is it?
This is Naga wheat flour. The flour is making me choke. So the reason I've never done an Insta live with baking before is because, as you can see, I'm very messy and I get freaked. I start yelling a lot. I'm like, no! I'm a disaster queen in the kitchen. And so we'll put a teaspoon of baking powder. It's 1 1/4 teaspoon, so we'll put the quarter as well. And if people want the recipe, I can post the recipe later. Not a big deal. Then we have 1 cup of sugar, but we'll do a little trick here. We'll mix white and brown sugar. So, what movies have you guys been watching lately? Anything interesting? Any movie recommendations for me, you guys? Sam, what movies have you seen lately?
The last movie I saw was what was it? I'm actually watching a very interesting series.
Called?
It's the new version of Narcos. It's the Queen of South.
Oh my god. I started watching Peaky Blinders.
Oh, that's also very interesting.
Amazing.
Yeah.
But I'm so slow. And every time someone is going to take a gun out, I run out of the room.
Or somebody suggesting please watch Tappad.
Tappad. Taapsee's film.
Yeah.
Taapsee has a very interesting choice of films. Thank you for the recommendation, guys. Oh, I watched a nice film yesterday. It's called A Miracle in Cell Number 7. It was recommended to me by my dear buddy Leon James. You guys know Leon James. He's a really amazing musician, keyboardist, artist generally. So அவர் என்கிட்ட சொன்னார், please watch this movie, it's amazing. It's a really beautiful story.
Yeah.
About, well, I don't want to ruin it, but a guy who is wrongly accused. and he's a mentally challenged guy who's wrongly accused of a murder, and his experience in the jail, and it's very sweet. I really liked it. Just put maybe another tablespoon of sugar because brown is not so sweet.
Can you say something about Master?
Master பத்தி என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Well, you guys, until we theaterல எப்போ தரக்க போறாங்கன்னு சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் we'll know what's happening with Master. அது வரைக்கும் யாருக்கும் எதுவும் தெரியல. That's why we're all baking and chilling for now. But I think things will open up soon. Don't you think so, Sam?
Yeah.
So Sam is in the salon business. Salon தந்தா theater ஒருவேளை தந்துருவாங்க. எங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. Fingers crossed. Hoping for the best. So these are our dry ingredients. There's the flour, sugar, baking powder. We'll put a pinch of baking soda just so that it rises well. Now comes the wet ingredients. Sam, you want to sit down?
Yeah, I'm okay. Annayum Rasulum last எப்போ பாத்தீங்க?
Annayum Rasulum. That is my most favorite film. ஒரு சின்ன அழகான படம் அது. It's beautiful. நான் என் படம் அவ்வளவு பார்க்க மாட்டேன். But Annayum Rasulum, maybe I'll watch it tonight. Okay, now oh Jesus. Sorry. Hold on. That's I think it melted a bit. So now we're doing the wet ingredients. We're going to start with some fresh cream. Yeah. Come on. And I'm so in love. Ooh. So guess what, guys? My fridge conked during lockdown. They didn't know it just stopped like working properly. So I've been going fridge shopping because now the shops are open and I have to get a new fridge. So that's my recent activity. I went to the Samsung showroom today. Hopefully I'll have a new fridge soon.
I want you to sing.
Of course, everybody wants me to sing. But you guys will have to wait for it. Wait for it. I will sing very soon, but not right now. Right now, I'm doing my... So, I mix yogurt and cream together to get a sour cream texture. It's a little bit of a cheat, but sour cream is not that easy to find, and my fridge doesn't work, so you know everything is going bad. So that's half a cup of sour cream if you have it, otherwise just mix fresh cream and yogurt. Now the recipe also calls for half a cup of butter, but we don't want to put half a cup of butter. So again, we are going to cheat and halve that. So, oh God, need to get a knife.
You're constantly running away from the camera.
I know. So this is why I generally bake and then only post pictures. But cheers, evening coffee. Oh my God, we should tell everybody about the beehive. So as soon as I woke up, I saw a lot of bees outside. There's a beehive outside my balcony. Let's take a break and show them the big beehive outside my balcony. Ingela, you have to see this. It's crazy. It's crazy. Can you see it? Can you zoom in and see it? Holy moly. There you go. That's massive. That's quite big, yeah. What do you think, Sam? Should we put the butter or should we cheat and put some cream instead?
I think we should put the cream.
Then I've already put so much of butter, but we're also going to do. I mix not cream, but a little bit of olive oil, so kind of balances that out. So what song you guys want me to sing now? Huh? Is it So that's 1 spoon of olive oil and another to replace some of the butter that we did not use. I know people do healthy cakes, but you know what? Cakes are supposed to be yummy. Right, Sam?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cakes are supposed to be yummy. The health part is great. We can replace some of the items, but some of the items need to stay. Now we're going to put 2 eggs. So tell me, what else is happening, guys?
Iduvarai.
Of course.
Of course.
சரி கேக் பண்ணிட்டே பாடலாமா? நான் என்ன பிளான் பண்ணிருந்தேன்னா I'll put the cupcakes into the oven and then I'll sing for you guys. So please be patient a little bit. Any other what about you guys? Have your businesses started? Are you guys going back to work? நீங்க எல்லாரும் வீட்லயே உட்கார்றீங்களா? வெளில போறீங்களா? Are you getting back to work slowly? What's happening?
आपका फैंस हिंदी में बात करने के लिए पूछ रहे हैं.
हिंदी क्या बात. I didn't know I had any Hindi fans. नमस्कार. what do I say? मैं हिंदी नहीं मालूम. सिर्फ थोड़ा. I feel like I'm missing something somewhere. Am I missing something? Oh, Iduvarai. Okay, party பார்க்கலாமா? இதுவரை இல்லாத உணர்விது இதயத்தில் உண்டான கனவிது பலித்திடும் அந்நாளை தேடிடும் பாடல் கேட்டாயோ மூடாமல் மூடி மறைகிறது தானாக பூத்து மறைகிறது தேடாமல் தேடி கிடைத்தது இங்கே. Okay, come on, I'm multitasking, you guys. Give me a little bit of breathing. Okay, now we have mixed the yogurt and the butter and the cream. Now we put the eggs. I must say that baking has kept me sane during this lockdown. It has made me, how do I say, not go crazy about being stuck indoors and not working, not meeting people. So I think that and yoga. Right, Sam?
Yeah.
Yoga is so important.
Workouts and food.
Workouts and food, baby. Workouts and food, always. The 2 things, surefire ways of staying happy. And after this, we're going to go for a nice evening walk. Don't think we only eat cupcakes, we also work out. We're good girls, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Look at that, look at that. I'm sure there are there's lots of amazing recipes that are eggless, but my mom has always, எங்க அம்மாலாம் எப்பவுமே முட்டை போடுவாங்க கேக்குக்குள்ள, and it just gives an amazing texture. So if you're not too strict about being fully vegetarian, இங்க அங்க கொஞ்சம் முட்டை சாப்பிடலாம்னா, நிறைய பேர் வந்து முட்டை சாப்பிட மாட்டாங்க, ஆனா கேக்ல முட்டை சாப்பிடுவாங்க. I don't know how.
Cake is exceptional.
Cake is an exception. Yes! So wow, look at that. Nice afternoon sky. So before I got on the call, I already preheated my oven. So I've learned that much to do. I may add another egg in here just for fun. You can smell the vanilla.
Would you like to answer this question, Andy? Where is your home?
I'm sitting in my home. Come on, guys. இதுதான் என் வீடு பார்த்தா தெரியலையா?
I think they're intending to ask your address.
No, sorry. அவ்வளோ privacy ஆகுது எனக்கு. But yeah, let's cook egg. So, what about the new music you guys have been listening to? Any recommendations? Last night I heard Lady Gaga's new song. I really liked it. Any Lady Gaga, Ariana Grande fans? No? Yes. Enna Sam? Tamil? Sam is laughing. Why are you laughing, Sam?
Your fans have very interesting requests.
Like what?
Are you in Chennai?
Yes, I'm in Chennai.
My heart stops when you look at me.
Oh, really?
Okay, singing, dubbing, or acting, which is your pick?
Singing, dubbing, or acting? Singing. Dubbing is really boring, guys. Dubbing is a very boring part of an actor's job, but it's a very important part of an actor's job because dubbing you can change a dialogue, you can change a script by changing dialogues in dubbing, and dubbing is half the performance. So it's just very annoying to dub because எப்படி சொல்றது செட்ல வந்து ஒரு சீனுக்கு ஒரு மூட் கிரியேட் பண்றோம் அதுக்கப்புறம் டப்பிங் தியேட்டர்ல போய் அதே மூட ரெக்ரியேட் பண்ணணும் so you're working twice but unfortunately nobody does live sound like sing sound in India. I don't know why.
Somebody saying hi to me. Wow. How sweet.
Yes, I think it's gonna happen now. Okay, so you wanna see? Okay, so can you see?
Mm-hmm.
We're pouring the batter in. So I'm very messy,
But I think we can all see.
Yeah, I'm very messy, but I'm also like I put my hands in there, like right now. Like I'm just gonna do everything with my fingers, which are very clean. I just washed my hands, so don't worry. And I like to taste everything, so I'll be tasting the cake batter very soon. First, we will stir. Oh, my hair.
Bajji podringla, ma'am.
உங்களுக்கு தான் பஜ்ஜி போடுறேன் இருங்க கேக் பண்றோம் கேக் and look we're going to put Nutella in the cupcakes so yay you know what this is like too greasy let me just get a towel or something hold on so I have to say thank you to Sam because is this our second baking session, Sam?
Yes.
Yeah, baking alone is really boring. So when I have company, it's so much more fun. Usually Sam helps me. She cuts something or, she helps me out. Today she's holding the phone. So, ellaro Sam ku or thank you soliranga.
Cake madri varuma?
Of course. In the kavalai.
Chef Andy.
Yes.
They do not know your talent.
Chef Andy in the house. This is a workout now, by the way, if you don't have an electrical blender, which I don't, quite obviously. I think we can add a little bit of something more to make this batter a little more like, ooh, it's coming well actually. Come on. So, so in the lockdown முன்னாடி நான் கிச்சனுக்குள்ள போனா ஒரு காஃபி பண்ணுவேன் இல்லனா ஒரு ஜூஸ் பண்ணுவேன் அவ்வளவுதான். Now I have made so many things from black chana to what did I make that day? Like Thai noodles and then palak paneer. So I think the good thing about this lockdown, maybe the one good thing is that it's pushed all of us to go outside of our comfort zone. Correct, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think
Somebody has a suggestion. Next time, add buttermilk plus a
Yeah, I know,
teaspoon
right?
of vinegar.
I know, right? I saw this somewhere,
Yeah.
but I only have masala buttermilk in my fridge, and I don't
No.
I know, right? To add buttermilk. Thank you. Who is that? Thank you so much. I know I read about this, but I find that I've tried like a couple of things, and I find that when you add a bit of yogurt and cream together, it gives the best texture.
She says add vinegar and buttermilk instead of sour cream.
Well, would it be a bit more watery? I don't know. Maybe I'll think about it. My mum, though, she bakes cakes with only butter. No cream, no sour cream, no yogurt, no nothing. But once I made a chocolate zucchini cake, it wasn't so bad, right?
It wasn't at all. It never tasted of zucchini.
Yeah. Oh my god! This is tiring, but we'll do it anyway.
Evening workout.
Evening workout. Imagine if I sing a song while I'm baking a cake now.
You should sing those wobbly voiced songs.
Okay. No. I think it's kind of done, guys. Look at that. Yes. La. Yeah, I make a lot of funny noises when I'm baking. So don't mind me. Okay, now we can pour it into the cupcake holders. The balance batter. Let's just give it one last whirl. Yeah, I think that's good. Oh, very important thing that I forgot was the spoon for the Nutella. So how many of you guys have been baking during lockdown? And if you have, please, I'll post a picture of these cupcakes, and then you guys maybe can, in the comment section, tell me about நீங்க எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? What have you cooked? What have you baked? Yes, Sam,
Your fans are feeling very sad for you. They're like, video எடுக்கிற அக்கா கொஞ்ச நேரம் அதை கிண்டுங்க. Would you like to hold the camera and shall I kindify?
No, it's fine. I got it. It's a workout. The lockdown la gunda ஆகாம இருந்தா ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம் இல்ல, Sam?
Yeah.
Well, for the record, the last time I baked cupcakes, I didn't eat a single one of them. I didn't get a chance.
That's so yummy that everybody's.
Yeah, man. Nobody leaves me any cupcakes. It's kind of unfortunate. Anyway, well, I think the moment of truth has come. So, I've got no Sunday blues. That is some thick batter, no?
Looks yummy.
See, the mess is beginning now. No, stay. Please don't judge me, guys. I'll make funny noises now.
Halloween birthday.
What does that mean?
What's your opinion about love at first sight?
That exists maybe with girls and chocolate, but I don't think any. Where did I last fall in love? Oh, I fell in love with the Samsung showroom. Love at first sight does exist. I fell in love with the most beautiful fridge ever. So beautiful. It's called the Space something. Not bad. Okay. Now, time for the Nutella. So what we're going to do is take a spoon of Nutella, dump it, and then we'll swirl it in later. But for now we'll just dump. So some cupcakes will get more Nutella than others. It's life, you know. Life is unfair. Cupcakes is unfair. Everything is unfair in general. That's just the way it is. Some people get more Nutella, some people get less. That's how life is. But I'm going to try to be fair with my Nutella.
Tattvam 101 by Andrea Jeremiah.
Aduvunda.
Don't judge me. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி கை வாஷ் பண்ணுங்க மேடம்.
கை க்ளீனா தான் இருக்குங்க. நான் எப்பவுமே கை 3 தடவை வாஷ் பண்ணுவேன். See, but there's so much of batter that would get lost if I didn't use my hand. And look, I'm eating the cupcakes. It's not going to a shop. It's going to me, my friends and family. So I don't think they mind my hands going in there. But for a professional baker, I guess this is a no.
Are you a left-hander, madam?
Yes, I am a left-hander. Thank you for noticing. சின்ன குழந்தையா இருக்கும்போது my teacher would beat me on the hands and say, write with your right hand. So கடைசியா I started just writing with my right hand, but மத்த விஷயம்லாம் like all this stuff I do with my left. And it's done. Okay. And okay, well, Sam, you want to do this part? You want to put the
Nutella?
Chocolate
chips. Yeah, why not?
Okay, come on, you do it. Ooh. Go on.
On the cupcakes?
No. Just there. Be generous. La 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 la. Yes. You want to put some on the cupcake as well?
Yeah.
Double dhamaka. Okay, not too many, but yeah.
This
fine.
one might get only that much.
Yeah, I think that's a bit of a disaster.
It's a lot of Nutella.
Yeah, we went wrong with that one. That's too much of Nutella.
It's okay.
I know.
Extra sugar.
Extra
Don't
sugar.
kill anybody.
True that. Okay, I think we're ready to go into the oven. Kindly note the mess. Oh dear God, it's really messy. Okay, wait. No, it'll be really hot. So let me get my little mitts out. I have oven mitts. See? Well, this is my little kitchen, guys. Oh no, I'm doing it the wrong way. So now, I don't need them right now. The oven is hot. We shall be careful. It's not so hot right now, so we don't have to touch. Okay, goes in there. And the little baby cake goes in here. Okay, when we take that out, I'll need these. Okay, and we will set it for 25 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, approximately. Whew. Well,
Cupcakes ennachu, madam?
Cupcakes ovenla irukkunga. You want to go check on them? It's not yet time. 25 minutes ago. In the meanwhile, we can admire the sunset. It's a really pretty sunset. I hope the bees don't come and bug us. Okay, this is my evening view. நான் இங்க தான் வந்து காஃபி எல்லாம் குடிச்சு சந்தோஷமா இருந்து enjoy the peaceful lockdown life. Don't look at my bag. Okay, let's go back inside. The hike is still there. Can you smell it?
Mmm.
Yes. See?
It's puffing
Oh
up.
my God! Look at that. Oh my God! It smells so good.
Yummy.
Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ooh.
The crazy new The crazy cupcake is like looking like a volcano. Look at him. Oh my god.
Okay, first things first. Cake is ready or not, we test it with a toothpick. La, 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 la. Okay, let's sing Google Google and test the cake. Google Google pani paathen ulagathilla ivan pola oru smell that smell.
Oh.
Ivan pola oru kirkanu porandadilla yahoo grahathilum ennoruthan kidakkavilla naan nedi keta shopping keta ure vikkiran meet my boyfriend. Well, they're done technically, but I'm just gonna let this one rest in the oven a bit. Okay, guys, those are the lovely cupcakes that we have made today. Oh no, yeah. Thank you all for being a part of the baking experience. Look at this one. Wow. So while we cool the cupcakes and eat them, நீங்க எல்லாரும் ஒரு ஜாலியான Sunday evening. Have a great evening, guys. Thank you for joining me on my little cupcake expedition. Bye.